What's up, everyone? Ratchet Hayden here, and welcome to the reaction video. We're reacting to the video of like Little Caesar Assassination, which is from Robot Chicken. And that dude is that guy from Little Caesars. You know, the mascot of Little Caesars Pizza. Well, here we go. Yeah. And these dudes from Julius Caesar just stabs Little Caesar. Look at his eyes. Okay, we're reaction in 3, 2, 1, and play.
It's a pizza.
Ah!
It's a pizza.
The Ultron Shredder did this.
It's a pizza. It's a pizza.
Ah!
It's a pizza.
I can't stop laughing.
It's a pizza.
Ah! Holy cat!
It's a pizza.
It's like the Foot Clan and the Purple Dragons, along with Ultron, Shredder, and Hun, attacking Little Caesar.
It's a pizza.
Okay, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel.